Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, northern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chilton and moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail wind, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Howard's Grove, Sheboygan Falls, Sheboygan, Elkhart Lake, Sheboygan Airport, Kohler Entry State Park, St. Cloud, Greenbush, Glenbeulah, Johnsonville and Hayden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.